There isn't a quick answer as to whether you should pay a parking ticket past a BW Legal, and I'll run through why now. First thing you need to establish is if the parking ticket belongs to you. Mistakes can be made even with CCTV and ANPR, so does the fine belong to you, and is there proof that it belongs to you? There are also various loopholes when it comes to appealing parking tickets, like the 10-minute grace period, for example. Let's say that your ticket expires at midday. Technically, you've got until 12 to get back to your car before you can be issued a ticket. Unclear signs or extreme emergency situations are other ways to appeal your fine. One thing to bear in mind is that there is a time frame to appeal your ticket, which is normally 28 days. All the details should be clear on your ticket, and it should also tell you which company issued your parking ticket. This might not be an option if your fine has been passed to a debt collection agency though. It's best not to ignore BW Legal. If you do, they could apply for a county court judgment that would force you to pay and affect your credit rating as well. This would make it hard for you to get things like loans, mortgages, credit cards. The moment that you show willing and come to an agreement to pay the money, they should leave you alone. Only pay what you can afford though, and be upfront about your finances. Remember that debt collectors aren't the same as bailiffs and they don't have the same rights. You don't even need to open the door to them. Tell them that you'll communicate by phone or email and they should go away. You can pay BW Legal on their online payment portal. You'll need your customer reference number and a credit or debit card. If it isn't that simple to pay and you found yourself in financial difficulties and have multiple debts, then don't worry, there are options available. You might not even have to pay all the debt back too. There are several debt solutions in the UK that help people struggling with a debt to get on top of their finances. They're not all appropriate for everyone, and each one has both pros or cons, but they're well worth exploring if you do want to tackle your debt. One simple step that you could take today is to find out if any of those debt solutions could work for you. In the description of this video, I've linked to a form on my website, and it's got a few multiple choice questions like how much debt do you owe and how many people do you owe. At the end of the form, it'll connect you to a company that I've partnered with to give you all of the information that you need about debt solutions that are available. So click the link in the description, go and check it out, and let me know how you get on.